Hi everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to make breakfast quesadillas. Breakfast quesadillas are a great way to spice up the breakfast. You can put anything that you want in it. You can really make this recipe your own. We're gonna do some scrambled eggs, sausage, hash browns, cheese. You can put bacon, mushrooms, onions, peppers. So let's get started on this. Now the ingredients for this is gonna make one quesadilla. We need 2 eggs scrambled, about a half a cup of hash browns. Here we have about a 1/4 pound of breakfast sausage, 3/4 cup of cheddar cheese, and of course our tortillas. To get started, we're going to heat up a few tablespoons of oil in our hot pan. Go in with our hash browns. Season with salt and pepper. We're going to let these cook for about 3 minutes. Once the hash browns are golden brown, we're going to set them aside, and in the same pan we're going to go in with the sausage. And with our sausage, we're going to cook this up for about another 2 to 3 minutes until it's nice and brown. Once the sausage is brown, we're going to set that aside and we're going to go in with our eggs. Turn our heat down to medium-low, and with our eggs, just scramble these up just for a minute. Don't forget to season, salt and pepper. Once the eggs start to come together, we're going to add in a little bit of our cheddar cheese. Get this nice and scrambled up. Once your eggs are done, we're going to set this aside and get the tortilla going. Let's get our tortilla down. Let's evenly spread out that cheese from edge to edge, just like so. Alright, our tortilla is starting to crisp up. We're going to add in our hash browns, eggs, and sausage onto half, just like so. Fold this over. Press it down. We're going to give it about 1.5 minutes on each side. There you have it. That's our breakfast quesadilla. Let's cut into this. You can see you got the eggs, the sausage, the hash browns, the cheese. Let's get a bite. Oh man, that's really good. So tasty. Now, like I said, you can make this recipe your own, add anything you want into it. If you like this recipe or you want to check out other recipes that we did, go ahead and check out the channel. If you like what we're doing, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Thanks for stopping in, guys, and we'll see you next time.